Microsoft Excel. In the second part of Microsoft Excel or Microsoft Excel Intermediate. This course will be covered in 7 chapters. In this course, we will be learning working with multiple worksheet and workbook, large workbook, dates, conditional formulas and formatting, documenting and auditing, list management, and at the last using templates. So join us till the end. If you are new to the Microsoft Excel, go back and see the video we have uploaded on our YouTube channel, College 35 Microsoft Excel Introduction.